So I'm making another pastry from the puff pastry dough I made. You can search below to find puff pastry. And this, I don't know what they call this, but you know, to me it's just another tart. So what I did, I cut out, and I'm going to do one right now. I use one of my little dish here. You could use anything. If you don't have the proper equipment, you could use anything. Just put one of these, I put one of these little balls on here, and I make sure it has a mark. And I find something that's a little smaller than that, and when I put it in the center, I can cut this out. So I'm cutting this out, and I'm gonna use, oh, this is kind of lean, but anyway, you get the picture. So I'm cutting this out. I'm gonna use it. So this is what I use to make the ring around here. I'm gonna dock it, as I always say for pastry. You put some little holes in it. You know, take the fork and stick holes in it so it don't puff up too much, because then it will spoil the shape of your dough and you won't achieve what you're looking for. For this one, I'm gonna use egg wash and cover it, and then I use this piece to go around it. So this is the piece I would use. I would have to cut another piece out for this. Anyway, I use this to go around, and this is gonna puff up because, you know, it's puff pastry. This is gonna puff up, but in this I'm gonna put a few things. So I'll come back and show you. I'm gonna put marzipan. Actually, I have the marzipan right here. I'm gonna put a little marzipan, maybe one side, not the whole thing. A little marzipan. I'm gonna put peaches. Also, I'm gonna set it in the middle. I have the marzipan recipe, so I'll upload that soon if I didn't do it before this video. And on that top of that, I'm putting a whole half a peach. See, press it down, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of it. Sprinkle a little sugar. Marzipan is almond. It's made with almond and icing sugar and an egg. So I'm putting that on top, and I'm gonna bake it, and I'm gonna put egg wash over it, of course, to give it color, give it some nice colors when it's baked. But this will puff right up, almost halfway up to the fruit. I think I'll maybe add another piece of fruit. I'll add maybe a raspberry to that somewhere. Just for the fun of it. Maybe another one over here. No, I won't bother. Just one is good. Alright, and that will bake, and you'll see what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Alright.